Welcome back to another edition on the Secret Life of a Navy Wife, and today I got a super amazing box for you guys. This is from Influenster. I don't even know what's in here. Like, I remember taking a, like, are you in quiz type thing to see if I qualify, but I really don't know what's in here. I haven't even opened it. But it's on the front. It says Mighty Organic Meat that makes a mighty impact. 100% grass-fed, free-range, and certified organic. I really hope they did not just send me a log of meat, because this has been sitting on my floor for a couple of days and it didn't say to keep refrigerated. So let's go ahead and try and get this thing open. Alright, so whoa, everything is falling out. It looks like a lot of this is beef jerky, which is going to be super awesome because my wife is deployed. I don't really eat jerky. I mean, I do eat jerky, but I don't eat jerky. I'm very picky with it. If it's not really soft and chewy and basically melting in your mouth, I won't eat it. So, got a bunch of jerky. Let's see exactly what they gave us. So, the card says what you'll find is 3 Mighty sticks, 3 Mighty bars, and a Mighty jerky. Our paleo-friendly protein-packed jerky bars and sticks come in bold up in your grill flavors that are made with nothing but organic whole food ingredients. Okay. Okay. So, 1, 2, that's a bar. How many sticks? 3 sticks? Is that a stick? They got fancy. Like, there's organza bags and place got fancy. Oh. This is something different. Not that. I'm missing a stick. Okay, so the first one is the 100% organic original meat stick. It feels nice and soft, so there's that. And then this one is spicy jalapeno, which is definitely going to my spouse. I don't do jalapenos at all. And I don't have another stick. It says, wait. 5 products for you. Oh, being dumb. Okay, so the third stick is the one that's for a friend. Okay. And then for their bars, which I've never seen anything like this one before. This one is uncured bacon and apple. I'm definitely gonna try that because that sounds delicious. So it's just 1 ounce bar of jerky. And then the other one I got was black peppered chicken bar, so you guys can tell the difference between the protein. So this one is obviously beef, and this one is chicken. And then they gave me a bag of original jerky, which I really want to open it and try this, but if I don't, like, my wife really loves jerky. This feels really... Yeah, this feels like a tougher jerky, so this one's probably going to go to her. And then, to share with my friends, we got the sea salt and cracked pepper bar and the teriyaki meat sticks. So, my wife is going to be super happy with these 4 Mighty beef things. And I'm honestly, like, I really like this box. Like, it's nice and sleek and black, and I don't know, it's really random. So, for those of you that are wondering how I got all this jerky for free, because jerky ain't cheap, I got it through Influenster. If you don't know what Influencer is, it is a free product review site. I will leave the link down below. You guys click that link, you guys up my score a little bit as an influencer. And they send you quizzes and stuff to determine if you're going to be the proper fit for their box that they're sending out. I don't remember signing up for this box, but I might have. Yeah, it's completely 100% free. All they ask is for your complete and honest review. You don't have to have a YouTube channel, but it helps. You need at least a Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Basically everything that everybody else already has. And a lot of the time they send you little quests that say, hey, go review this product on like Target or Amazon or Walmart or things like that. So super easy, super fun, and you get free stuff. All the links you ever need to know about Influencer are always down below in the down bar. And that's going to do it for today, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go try some of this jerky and get the rest of it packed up in my wife's Christmas care package. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at MomsteroftheTardis, always linked down there, as well as click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so it goes ding in your inbox every time I post, and I'll see y'all in another video. Bye, guys.